So today here in the Samsung booth, we're looking at the solution from Movius for split billing and for work line access using the Knox container. So we have our standard personal space in Knox, and then if we go to the Knox space where you have all your secure information, you have only your work-related applications. So in here, what we've done is we've enabled Knox with a work line. So you have your own access to your work line using either voice over IP or using your minutes. So you can make and receive phone calls, have your call log, have your message log, your voicemail. And then the other thing we've added is the ability to have split billing. So now you can receive a statement from your operator with only the consumption you've had on your personal side. So whenever you use applications here, including phone calls and data access, you get billed for that. If you were to use the applications in the Knox container, your enterprise would pay for those for that consumption, whether it's using data or using your minutes. The solution is available right now through several operators and will also be available through mobile device management companies.
And this is a device agnostic kind of solution, right? So it's available on iOS and Android?
Correct. So the solution is being showcased here on the Samsung booth for the Knox container, but it's also available through other means, including on iOS for OpenPeak with cell rocks on Android devices, and a few others, Mobile Iron, AirWatch, etc.
And basically, since you're going to be using this for work, it has to be a secure connection to this work, right?
Correct. So Samsung provides a big chunk of the security on the device from an enterprise perspective. The mobile device management vendor, say AirWatch, Mobile Iron, etc., would enhance that even further. And then from a communications perspective, we can provide security for the voice communication. So if you were to use voice over IP and be able and would like to have a secure connection, we can secure that connection between the device and the other end party using technologies like secure RTP.
And this is a solution that's already in the market or something that's coming into the market?
So this is a brand new solution we're showcasing here at the Samsung booth. A previous version, a more simpler version, has been deployed throughout a number of tier 1 carriers, including Telefonica in Latin America and the MTN group in Africa.
So when do we see the full solution arrive on the vendor side or on the, corporate side?
So Samsung, we're already a silver partner with Samsung. The solution is available today. So if an operator would like to deploy this on their network, they can do so right now. We're also working with mobile device management vendors, so they can also sell directly to enterprises the solution. So it's not only, it doesn't require an operator to deploy it. It can also be deployed without an operator.
So basically, this could be either a phone given to you by a company, or this could be your personal phone. It has this solution installed in there, and you can basically take it from personal to work on a whim, whenever you need.
Correct. And then if you're traveling outside of the country, you can also use voice over IP, for example, if you want to make phone calls and you don't have to incur in roaming charges. You could also use minutes if you wish to have an enhanced voice connection. In here, I'm showing really quickly that you can choose whether you want to use minutes, voice over IP, or have the end user always choose how to have the call happen, or have the phone be smart enough to choose for you based on best available coverage.
Right, that's great. Also, let's put it this way. Right, now I'm going to go to the home screen, and I decide to go back to my personal side, right? Now, if I get a call from you, does it automatically switch over?
Yes, it does.
To the it switches over to the Knox side. Yep. And I basically am in a secure environment when I'm making that work-related call.
Correct.
Oh, that's actually pretty nice. Is that part of your software or just part of the Knox?
It's part of our software. So whenever the phone call comes into the device, our application starts up and shows you that you're receiving a phone call from a given person. You'll see the person's name, their phone number, their picture, in addition to the Knox briefcase, knowing that it's a secure phone call.
All right. Well, thank you very much. This has been the Movius, My ID secure solution for basically any device you have. So it's enterprise. It's an enterprise solution. Right now we're showcasing the Samsung solution, so the Android solution we're showcasing, but this is a device agnostic or system agnostic solution, which you can use in either of your environments, iOS or Android. And this definitely looks like a very interesting device. It doesn't really require you to do too much, or it doesn't get in the way of you using your phone for personal use. Once again, this is the Movius solution, and I'm Sam for BooredAtWork.com saying, always enjoy your entertainment.